Hello and welcome to NSS Enterprises Wrangler 2012 Care and Maintenance Guide. This video covers a few of the more common care tips, and by following these procedures you can expect many years of trouble-free service. Now, while this video contains a lot of good information about your scrubber, it doesn't cover all the safety precautions. The safety precautions are on the first few pages of the operation manual, and if you haven't read it yet, you should do that now. Let's start by locating the safety and maintenance poster that came in the literature pack. Hang this safety and maintenance poster in a location where the staff that used the Wrangler 2012 will see it. Before using the 2012, you will need to prepare the work area. Start by placing a wet floor sign down, and then grab either a mop or a broom, and make sure that anything that could get caught under the 2012 squeegee blade is swept away. So grab a trash bag just in case. Let's start by filling the clean water tank with clean cold water. There are 2 locations on the machine to do this. And then add your detergent or cleaning solution to the clean water tank. Make sure to not use more detergent than recommended. Too much detergent will cause bad results. While we are talking about water and solutions, on the left side at the bottom of the machine you will find a solution valve that determines how much chemical and water will be released out into the machine. With the water stopped, the strainer filter can be just unscrewed and easily cleaned. If you find that the machine is not releasing water, check this filter first. The floor pads for the 2012 install very easily with just a simple clockwise turn while lifting it into place. Once the pad is installed, you just need to use your foot to engage and disengage the pad to the floor. The lever above the foot pedal increases or decreases the amount of tension given to the pad. Removing pads is just as easy. Use the quick pad release lever and a quick turn counterclockwise and the pad will fall right out. Let's open the lid of the machine and take a look around. Take note of the seal on the inside of the lid. When the lid is closed, it creates a vacuum inside the machine. Next is the debris tray. It slides in and out very easily and should be rinsed out and cleaned between each use. And lastly, we have the filter for the vac motor. This should also be cleaned periodically and just pops on and off. And another reminder to make sure nothing is obstructing the seal when you close the lid. Next up, let's look at the squeegee blade assembly. The squeegee blade should be in the up position when the machine is not in use and in the down position when you're using it. As you can see, it just takes a tap of your foot to engage and disengage the squeegees. Here we will show how to install and remove the complete squeegee assembly and how to install and remove new and old squeegee blades. Removing the assembly is simple by just loosening the T-knobs on top and disconnecting the vacuum hose. Before using the machine each time, make sure to check the squeegee blades for wear or tear. If the edges start to curve, simply flip the squeegee to a new edge. Warping and tears are a different story, however, and when that happens, the squeegee will need to be replaced right away. The squeegee blades are held with a tension fit. Just release the tension rod and lift the squeegee blades out. Be sure to take note of the inner and outer blades and their positions. Installing new squeegee blades is just as simple. Just lay them into the channel, make sure they're down in there as far as possible, and secure with a tension rod. Essentially, you want to make sure that the entire squeegee edge is touching the floor surface evenly. The edge of the squeegee blade should be working against the floor. When the squeegee assembly is drying, flip it upside down to keep the blades off the floor. For operating instructions, consult the machine's operations manual or contact your local sales rep. The last step before you're done with the machine is to drain the dirty water. Back the machine up to a drain area and let gravity do the rest. The machine's batteries will also need to be maintained. Please contact your sales rep or a service technician for assistance. That's the end of the basic use and care instructions for the Wrangler 2012. Be ready to pause. Here's a quick review of the most important maintenance tasks.